been feeling so small. Watch the clock.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be the last packing video in this house. I still get so sad when I have to re-watch these clips just because I love this house so much. But anyways, the reason why I wanted to do this video is to give you about 20 minutes of motivation to get something done in your house. So I want you to make a list and let's get things done together. And at the end of this video, I want you to comment down below what all you got done on your list.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
So I wanted to take this time to introduce myself. My name is Courtney and I live in Alabama, which you can probably tell, and I do cleaning motivational videos. So if you're new, please don't forget to push that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it, and I would love to have you join my little YouTube family.
Be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
I also wanted to let you know that I do have an Instagram page. If you're not following me on there, you can follow me at The Life of Courtney 19, and I try to post daily things and just like things that are just funny, and also I try to post cleaning motivation, as in like the tap to clean and also the speed cleanings on there. So if you're not following me on there, go ahead and check me out.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
reason why I am packing up my entire house and moving and never really explained it. I did on my last video of kind of what was going on and why I had to move, and so I'm going to leave a playlist down below of, it's going to say moving, and so that will be my playlist, and in those videos I kind of explained some of the reason why I was packing up and why I was moving out of my dream house. So if you want to find out why or know why, go back and watch those videos, and I'll also leave one up in the card so you can see the video that I was talking about where it explained why I was packing up and leaving. So these plastic containers, I ended up throwing most of those away, mostly because they were really old, and I found out that you're supposed to buy new ones every 6 months, I think it is, and I've had those for like a year or two. So I just decided to go ahead and just get rid of those because, again, I just needed to. And what you just saw right there is that my pizza cutter fell onto the in the dishwasher, and it melted, so I had to peel off that thing, and thankfully it didn't break it, because again, I was moving and I didn't want to have to buy a new dishwasher for the new people, but it didn't break it, so thank the Lord for that. So as you can tell, I have on this neon shirt and it says parking team. I am part of the parking team for my church, and so this video was recorded on a Sunday, and I went and done the parking team that morning, and then when I got done I came back and started working. But you will see in this next clip that I do end up changing my shirt. I really don't know why I changed, but I did. And I just ended up changing my shirt, so that's the reason why for the change of the shirt. It wasn't because it was the next day, it's just because I just wanted to change my shirt, I guess. as you can tell, I really do like watching other people clean or organize or whatever it may be while I'm cleaning. So I love putting on a video and just letting it play out as I'm doing my work or what I'm doing. If there's anybody else that's like that, let me know down in the comments. Do you like to just sit and watch cleaning videos, or do you like to actually clean along with them? And I like to do both, but my favorite part is cleaning along with them. So I wanted to take a few minutes and just talk about 7 ladies that I kind of just enjoy watching here lately. And again, this goes, I love a lot more people than this, but again, I just wanted to give a shout out to these 7 ladies, just because, you know, it doesn't have to be a collab to give a shout out to someone, and I just wanted to do that for these 7 ladies. So my first lady, her name is Tracy, and her channel name is Comfort of My Home, and she actually became one of my first YouTube friends, and we've just been friends ever since. And then my second girl or lady, her name is Karrie with BudgetFam, and I just love her channel and just how real she is and just everything about her. And then the third lady, her name is Jennifer, and her channel name is Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. And I just absolutely love Jennifer. She has become one of my really good friends as well, and we've actually done a collab together. And then my second Jennifer, her channel name is Cleaning the Chaos, and I'm pretty sure most of you know her channel, but I just absolutely love her channel. Like, I love her channel. But anyways, and now I have 3 Meagans I'm going to shout out, and the first Meagan is Meagan Marie, and I have just grown to love her channel. I think she's new starting out, but she is so good. I love her home and just everything about her channel. And then the second Meagan, her name is Meagan Thomas, that's her channel name, and I love her house as well, and she's just down to earth, and she's also from Alabama, and actually she lives not too far from where I live, and I just thought that was really cool. And then my last Meagan I'm going to shout out is Loving Life as Meagan, and most of you probably follow her as well, but I just absolutely love her channel. I try not to miss any of them, which I try not to miss anybody's videos, but I just love her channel and her videos as well. And I'm going to leave a link down below in my description box with all these ladies' channels, just in case you would like to go and check them out. So during this clip, I thought this was really cool, and I didn't even mean to do this when I was filming this, but with the fast mode, you can see how quickly the sun is going down, and I just thought it was really cool because it starts off so light and then it just goes into it getting dark, and I just thought that was really cool to watch on this video. So I just left that in here just so you could just see that part of the video. here and watching this, if you don't mind leaving below in the comments, just so I know you're still here. There's emojis of the moon and how it's getting darker, and there's 4 or 5 of them, and then it gets completely dark. And if you leave those down below, I would really appreciate it. I just always like to know, who's sticking around and really watching the video all the way through. So if you don't mind doing that, I would really appreciate it. So this is like the end of this video. Thank you so much for joining in and watching my video, and I still have one more, and that's just of me cleaning the entire house, and you'll get to see a tour of the house completely empty. And man, it is so hard to just watch this back, but this one part that's about to come up of me taking up my rug, that was like, man, this is real. Like, this is it. This is the final. This is not my home anymore. And so, but I just want to thank you all for tuning in on my journey in this house. And I just really appreciate you guys. And I love you guys so much. And I hope that you will stick around. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I love you. You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up and we just sing along, and I can't help